what's the next thingy?
Day 3.
Oh, Day
Let's
3.
go. What
Juliet
could it
has
be?
a new trick. Keep on your toes.
What? What? You're talking so high, I couldn't even hear.
Sorry, I had a hiccup coming.
Are you okay?
I'm all good.
Did you read something exciting?
No, okay.
Is that really
when
just
I
how
have,
you sound when you?
if I have to burp, like I hiccup instead because I don't want to burp.
Oh,
And so you know how it's like air coming up, right?
I didn't know that was an option to hiccup instead of burping.
Oh, you can. Yeah, you can teach yourself.
What? I mean, I am able to mostly keep my burps quiet, but I didn't know you could do something like that. So is it? Is Ahmed just always, instead of burping, always just choosing the hiccup?
I think Army does the same. Yeah.
Wait, hiccup was never an option for me.
You have to teach yourself.
Do I need a DLC?
I think so. You need a DLC. You gotta watch tutorials on YouTube how to turn your burp into a hiccup.
What? Nobody ever told me about that.
I've always been grossed out by burps in general, so I'd never let myself burp.
Me too.
Yeah, so now it's a hiccup.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mumei, it didn't sound like a hiccup though.
Well, okay, that time it wasn't a hiccup. It was what would be a hiccup, but I was speaking, so my voice just went super high because of the air.
Okay.
It makes sense. I don't know how to it just...
Satsuga Mumei.
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
So it's either hiccup, burp, or start speaking super high.